welcome back to my channel. So for this video I am going to be showing you I was able to get this look for my mini trip in Jamaica. So I went for a trip to Jamaica and I did the distress locks, I did the butt length, and I used color 613/27. And this is just me showing you your hair because people have asked me, can I be in the waters? And sometimes when I answer the questions, I'm not really confident because I haven't really tried it. So this is me like firsthand showing you just my hair in the water. Basically, I've washed my hair like 6 times during my trip because I was always in the pool and I was always in salt water as well. So I've washed it and my hair is still very much intact. And mind you, my hair is pretty long, so it's definitely pulling down. So if you have a bob and mid back and all that other nice short length, you should be good to go. So this is the hair that I would be using. I used 1.5 to continue wrapping, and I believe I used 1 strand to start wrapping, but I will show you how I prep so you guys are not really confused. As you can see, I already took 1 strand. I divided the 1 strand into 2 pieces, and now I am going to take 1.5 of the strands that I already divided, and that is what I am going to use to continue my wrapping. But to start wrapping, I would just use 1 strand. So different hair are different. Some hair 1 strand is enough for the work or for the job, but for some hair you need a little bit more. And the goal was for me to go for a small, but clearly I wasn't able to go for a small because my hair does not look like a size small. But next time I would try to use 1 strand all the way to see the difference that's going to make. At first I felt like it was just so big and so full, but it wasn't really heavy. But now I'm just so used to it. Anywho, that is how I prep my hair, and this is me trying to show you guys how I did my hair. And also I have about 48 counts of locks on my hair, and clearly I'm almost double my hair. This is like the day before I travel, I think so. I think the day before I travel, this is me like just trying to make a quick one before my flight and everything. I lied, guys. This was like the day of my trip actually, because I was supposed to, leave Michigan and go to New York, and then from New York go to just fly to Jamaica. So I always braid my hair first, so I don't have any extra piece. I just use my natural hair and then my spring twist hair, so there is no extra piece at all. So now I'm done braiding my hair. When I don't know if I don't think I have a video of me braiding my hair, but you've seen my other videos. The way I braid my client's hair is the same way I braided my hair for this style. So since it's my hair, guys, I would not be going really tight because I don't know, I don't really plan on keeping this style for that long, just because I don't know, I tend to miss my hair when I get my hair done. So I'm already missing my hair right now as I'm making this tutorial, like this voiceover. So same thing that I'm doing, just wrapping around and then using my thumb, just trying my best to use my thumb to take out the loops to create that messy texture. And this video is just to show you that okay, with the 8 inches hair you could still get the long length that you're looking for. That's the main point of this video, because people always ask me, how are you able to get butt length and waist length using the 8 inches hair? And it's very possible. So I probably used about, I don't know, 6 or 5 strands of hair for 1 lock, and I felt like people want something to be extremely light when you end up using a lot of hair, which, I mean, think about it, guys. The more hair you add, the thicker the density, so the heavier it is. So but it wasn't really that heavy, like it wasn't at all. Like I'm still going to the gym, I'm still running, so it's very possible, it's very doable. Trust me, you will be fine. But when I first did them though, I was like, dang, this is a lot of hair, but I just got used to it. So as I got to the top, I would just use my mouth, like my teeth, and I would just hold it and then just keep wrapping it, and I would just keep doing it just like that. To seal my ends, when I got to the end, I just wrapped it all the way up and rubbed it to my palm. I left a little piece out because the plan was for me to come back from my trip and make them longer. But now it's been like, I don't know, almost a month. I think so. I don't know. Or 2 weeks. No, yeah, 2 weeks. 2 weeks. And I'm just like, okay, yeah, I don't think I want to keep it for that long because I just get tired of hairstyle easily. If I don't have time, I would keep it there. So I'm not going to take it down until I have plans to get my hair done again. Okay. Before I did this hairstyle, I haven't gotten my hair done since April. So I'm trying to stay consistent because during that time from April to September, like I always had to detangle my hair. It was just too much work dealing with my natural hair. So I'll make sure that I would not take this hair down until I have something new to get done, or if I am going to get something done, I might end up like doing a small of this style just to see, just to just to make it flexible and just easier to handle. Also, you can wash this hair, you can shampoo this hair, you can deep condition your hair. My hair is still very much healthy now because I deep condition my hair. The thing about this style is that you don't want your scalp to be dry. Like you want to keep it, oily. You want to wash it. You want to just keep it moisturized. And that is what I was doing all through my trip. And that's what I'm doing even now. And that's why, it kind of makes your hair grow when you take care of it while your hair is in this protective style. As you saw, I was just doing the length check because I just kept wrapping. So now I'm wrapping back up to seal my ends, and I left a little piece again because I thought I was gonna come back and finish. I was gonna come back and make it longer, but clearly I am not gonna do that. I mean, I don't know. I'm not gonna do that right now, but that is it, and that one is done. And I think I was only able to make this particular video, I'm not really sure, but I hope it was able to help somebody because I was really trying, guys, but then I think my ride was just there and I was here and I just could not make another one. These are more videos of myself in Jamaica, just having fun, enjoying my locks. First, I was skeptical about going to the water because, I had locks, so I was just like, do I want to go in the water? But something led to another. I had no choice, and I was in the water or through my trip. The thing about this hair is that, of course, when you get in the water, it's kind of heavy because, it's water and it's locks. So it makes sense for your hair to be heavier, but that only lasts for like a couple of minutes. As soon as you leave the pool or as soon as you just, you don't take a shower with your hair, you should be fine after use a towel and take some of the water out and you should be just fine. Well, I don't know if I left out any information, but the main point was to show you that you can get the butt length using the 8 inches hair, and you can also put wash your hair, deep condition your hair. You can also stimulate your hair, so you don't have to worry because your hair is definitely protected. You have locks done, so you did your locks right. So it's I even feel safer being in the water with my locks than braids because braids, it could actually get in my hair. But with locks, it could get in your hair, but I think it's even safer. You are more protected that way. Anywho, let me know if you guys have any questions, and thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. For now, just enjoy some of my hair and my trip to Jamaica. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.
They know my story.